You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is v equals -59. Let's solve it step by step. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 31/5 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the v. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/-1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is v equals -59.